You're giving me the it's not you, it's me routine? I invented it's not you, it's me. Nobody tells me it's them, not me. If it's anybody, it's me.
All right.
So Apple is, anybody who's been following it closely, we've been watching this thing. It got up over 200. It got up a lot higher. It got up to 230. Everybody was very excited about that. But today, there's a little bit of news out there that one Mr. Warren Buffett and Berkshire Hathaway has decided, you know what, we're going to take some off. Not just some, we're going to take off approximately 50% of our investment in Apple. Now, I don't know exactly why that is, Mark. I can make some speculative thoughts of why I think that's probably happening. For me, real quick, I'll just say this. I don't know that he's in line with the CEO and what things have been going on. I don't think it's necessarily a negative thing, but at the same time, Apple has been behind the curve more often than they've ever been. In my opinion, Apple's always been up there at the front, and now it feels like they're behind. So that might be it. I'll also say this. Not bad timing by the Oracle. And when I look at Apple trading at a 30-plus PE mark, when its standard PE over the last few years has been a little closer to 22, 23, that's price to earnings, folks. That says a lot. They have great earnings, so don't think that I think that's negative. But when you really look at Apple right now, they have lofty levels, and that's where guys like Warren Buffett say, you know what, maybe my money should be somewhere else because there's better opportunity somewhere else. I think that's what's happening.
Pete, this reminds me of a conversation I had breaking up with a girlfriend recently when I said, listen, it's not you, it's me. Okay. That's what Warren Buffett said to Apple here. This was part of a larger sell-off of other stocks in the portfolio, a massive hoarding of an even existing insane cash hoard. What the Oracle is lining up to do, I don't know. It may be the fodder for a James Bond movie at some point in time. I have absolutely no idea. But this was not just an Apple story. Now, look, has there been good reason to be negative on Apple lately? Yes. Has there good reason to be bearish on Apple lately? Yes. They're seeing increasing competition, particularly in China and other Asian markets where they don't live and die by the Apple device. There are actually others that you see people holding in restaurants and cafes and other places as compared to this country. You're seeing cost increases. You're seeing a lack of new, big wow products and features. The last Apple phone upgrade was like, well, now you've got from a 4-camera to a 5-camera, and your pixels go from 3 zillion to, I'm like, why? I'm not going to spend extra money on that. But here's the thing. I am still not prepared to count Apple down and out for one big reason. They have yet to launch that great AI thing, right? I know they took a toe in it at the last developer day, but they have yet to announce a must-have AI application that all of a sudden with one mouse click, hopefully it's not a CrowdStrike mouse click, but with one mouse click, we will all be using that AI application. And when that happens, you're going to see Apple's dominance come back. So a really interesting story, but a lot of blurred lines, as the song says, as to the reason why this sale was made by Warren Buffett.
Apple intelligence, not artificial intelligence, Apple intelligence, as they say, because they can do anything they want, Mark. I mean, it's absolutely impressive the way they can navigate through things and everything. And by the way, from here on out, we're going to call that the George Costanza trade. It's not you, it's me.
Not you, it's me.